Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about our low profile 1080p dash camera with built-in GPS. Now a dash camera is something that attaches to either your windshield or dashboard of your car to record everything going on in front of your vehicle. This aids to prove what actually took place after you've had an accident. This also prevents things like insurance fraud from happening as well. Now this is the highest end dash camera that we sell and by far the most popular amongst dash camera enthusiasts. The reason for that is the chipset that controls the camera is made by Sony and handles things like low light extremely well. One of the unique things about this camera is that it includes a GPS module that tracks location and speed of the vehicle. This helps when proving what route you took or where something took place. It also overlays your current speed on the recording itself during playback. Now next up is a driving demonstration with both day and night included so you guys can see how this camera handles both scenes.
Sales doing this because they believe that educating the next generation is vital to preserving liberty because they love America. Learn how you can help in this historic effort and how you can get your own copy of Philstone's Pocket Constitution.
What are you waiting for? This is News Talk 820 AM WPAP Fort Worth, Dallas, and 9.5 FM KPLX FM HD2.
17. But at Sleep Experts, they're doing their part to help during their half-yearly sale, where for a limited time you're getting twice the savings. Lambo here for Sleep Experts, where you can save up to $500 store-wide.
Oh my gosh. I actually now feel terrible. He says he's going to go sit. I very well may have used this back in the day. I don't know. I remember moving in 6th grade and it was curious.